Craig Equipment here, showing off the new Heartland 16-foot tandem axle utility trailers. Got them in stock, ready to go for you. Super nice trailers. These are 16-foot tandem 3,500 pound axles. New tires, of course. Premium pine floor. Standard 2-inch coupler and top line jack. These things are made here in Missouri. Real nice trailers. 4-foot flip-up ramp gate. You can lay them flat inside the trailer if you want to put them down. Heavy duty, they're spring assisted. LED lights. Heavy duty fenders. Real nice trailers. Got these with or without brakes, just depending on your price point where you'd like to be on them. Craig Equipment, Wright City, Missouri. 636-856-8555, CraigEquipment.com.